Ever moved a plant and watched it sadly wilt? That's transplant shock, and it's tough on our green friends. But what if there's a secret weapon used by pros? Seaweed extract. And the science behind it is fascinating. When you transplant a plant, you damage its delicate roots. This is where seaweed extract, especially from species like Ascophyllum notisum, comes in. It's packed with two key compounds, cytokinins and betaines. Cytokinins are plant hormones that supercharge root growth, helping them repair and regenerate much faster. Meanwhile, betaines act like a personal hydration coach for your plant cells, helping them hold on to water and preventing them from drying out. Think of it not as a fertilizer, but as a biostimulant recovery drink for your plants. Scientific studies confirm it reduces wilting and helps plants bounce back quicker. Just apply a diluted solution when you transplant. So no, it's not magic, it's just really cool plant science. Have you tried this trick? Let me know how it went in the comments. For more science-backed gardening tips, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.